welcome back to the Crochet Crowd. I'm your host Mikey. The letter that we're going to do today is the title of this video. It's only going to be in right-handed format for this because I've been told that if you flip the video camera for the left-handed version, the letters will appear backwards for my left-handed audience. So to not upset anybody, it will not be available in left-handed. Also, in the video description, I linked the playlist where all the letters will exist. They will be provided in time, but I also put one video on how to sew the appliques to the project without going through. So if you want to add personalization of a name and not ruin your project, you can do it that way as well. So I will leave that in your hands, and without further ado, let's get started.
So let's begin. The letter J as in Jack in the Box. For lack of anything I could come to my head, using a 4.5mm sized G crochet hook with care 1 pound. Let's start off with the slip knot, and we're going to chain a total of 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's start row number 1. So what we're going to do now is second chain from the hook, turn it around and get the back hump of the chain, and just single crochet yourself all the way across your chain. Okay, and you're not done. So just hold there for a second. So right where you are, you want to chain a total of 3. So 1, 2, 3. Second chain from the hook, I want you to go into those 2 chains and go back across. And then it says single crochet in the next chain. Okay. And then it states to chain 3. So 1, 2, 3. Second chain from the hook again. We're creating the other side of the top of the J. And then you want to slip stitch to where you started. And then you'll leave a long tail so that you can sew that down to the project. Okay, and so this will be the top of your J, and then this will be the hook to make the J. So any tail ends that you don't need, then what you want to do is take it through a tapestry needle and just get rid of it out of the way so that you just have one strand to sew it down to your project. So I'm turning it to the back side of the J. And I'm just weaving in the ends, or just the one end, and then I'm leaving the other end so I can sew it down to the project itself. And don't be cheap about weaving in these ends. If you're lazy about it, then they will pop, especially if it's giving to a child for personalization for a blanket or anything you're making. And therefore the other strand's ready to go down, and there is the letter J, and once you're on the project you can shape it and etc. just like that.